Sneezing is a natural part of life. You sneeze when foreign particles irritate the inside of your nose. Sometimes it's a little inconvenient to sneeze, like in a situation where you're not allowed to make noise, or maybe you want to stop germs from entering the air. This will cause you to block your nose and mouth, like this. But one man's horrific experience will ensure you never stifle a sneeze again. Welcome back to Inform Overload, where we overload you with information. I'm Charlotte, and please take a second to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for all your trending news on YouTube. It's flu and cold season, which means sneezing. Lots of it. You might have the flu and you're trying to be considerate by stifling your sneeze so as not to get other people sick. It's even a normal response to want to cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze. But according to a study published in the British Medical Journal, halting a sneeze by blocking your nostrils and mouth is dangerous and should be avoided, as it can lead to numerous complications. The 34-year-old man noted in the case study halted his sneeze by pinching his nose and clamping his mouth shut. As he did this, he suddenly felt a popping feeling in the back of his throat. His neck began to swell and he experienced difficulty swallowing and speaking. He went to a hospital where doctors heard some strange popping and crackling sounds coming from his neck all the way down his rib cage. They figured out that air bubbles from the rupture were permeating the soft tissue of his neck and chest, as in there was air trapped in his body from the sneeze. The man ended up remaining in the hospital for 7 days. Luckily, he made a full recovery, but in extreme cases, containing a forceful sneeze can cause a lethal brain aneurysm, which is a ballooning blood vessel in the brain. When you sneeze, air comes out of your lungs at speeds of 150 miles per hour. That creates a lot of pressure. Stopping that air will result in the air going back into your body and getting trapped in places like your esophagus. Not fun! Other complications include cracked ribs, ruptured blood vessels in the eye, damaged facial nerves, and even a burst eardrum. I burst my eardrum when I was 12 from stifling a sneeze, and I still can't hear as well with this ear. So what's the solution? Sneeze. And do it into your elbow like this. Don't completely block the air passageways. Now that that's settled, I'm gonna respond to some comments. Frank001 said Inform Overload is the best channel on YouTube. Keep up the great work. Oh, that's very nice. I'm not sure if that's true, but it's nice. Mr. Anthony Blog said, I'm a straight A student and I get my information from here. Straight A's? Okay, Mr. Smitey Pants. I would like to take credit for your smarts, but I can't. Keep killing it in school. Kay Dixon said, can you call us Tater Tots one of these days? Sure. Okay, Tater Tots, the video is over. Thank you for watching. Over here is a crazy story about a woman who gave birth 10 days after she passed away. Click it to find out more. As always, make sure you click that bell icon so you never miss a video. Later.